Hello everyone, I'm Neha Goyal and the name of my subject is Childhood and Growing Up. The topic for today's discussion is role of parents and teachers in development of motor skills. Role of parents and teachers. Play is perhaps the most important aspect of a young child's life. Through physical skill development, children explore their capabilities and learn about themselves and their environment. Children acquire self-confidence and self-esteem as a result of successful experiences, particularly in the motor domain. Parents and teachers play an integral part in the development of positive attitudes toward physical activity in their children. Parents and teachers should provide experiences in which all the children can be successful. Now, role of parents in development of motor skills. Parents can take initiative in taking children to areas for physical play if there are no spaces at home. Parents can limit television viewing and encourage children to engage in physical play instead. Parents and caregivers can accept gender differences in play and support play behaviors of both boys and girls. Parents should ensure that preschool children are given daily opportunities to engage in motor play. Parents can make sure that the outdoor play environment contains play equipment that includes opportunities to exercise all types of motor skills. Parents should find out the status of free play opportunities in their child's preschool center and insist it be part of the daily schedule. Now, coming to role of teachers in the development of motor skills. Teachers must become advocates for outdoor play and motor activity during the primary years. A quite active, quiet pattern of interaction should be incorporated into the schedules of primary classrooms. Periods of sitting and listening should be followed by more active experiences. Teachers should understand and appreciate diversity in motor play. Large motor and fine motor development activities should be integrated into the curriculum. Dance, sculpture, woodwork, and other activities can be related to topics studied in social studies and science. Aiming games like beanbag tossing or bowling can teach academic skills while enhancing eye-hand coordination. Teachers should provide a variety of play experiences that are relevant to all cultures represented in the classroom. Teachers should collaborate closely with health and physical education teachers to design developmentally appropriate motor play opportunities that relate to the curriculum. In physical education classes, games that relate to social studies, mathematics, and science topics can be introduced. Classroom teachers and health and physical education teachers can interview parents to help design a multicultural motor play curriculum. Schools must adopt indoor and outdoor play spaces to provide access for children with special needs. Special ramps, railings, and climbing apparatus are needed to ensure that children with physically challenging conditions can join the play of peers. Teachers should intervene in children's motor play to promote positive peer relations. Teachers may suggest activities that all can play. Thank you.